I shall resign the presidency effective at noon tomorrow. Vice President Ford will be sworn in as president at that hour in this office.
I dreamed I saw St. Augustine alive as you or me.
Thomas Jefferson said the people are the only sure reliance for the preservation of our liberty. Abraham Lincoln renewed this American article of faith, asking, is there any better way or equal hope in the world?
Get down!
Come out, you gifted kings and queens.
We've got too many people who are knocking every institution, including the Congress, the President, the flag, everything. I think it's time to stand up and say, well, we believe in these institutions, and we believe in America. And I think America ought to sing a little bit.
Now we're talking about Bob Dylan, the man. That's what we're talking about, the message he preaches when he sings.